Hi friends, this is a long back. This really a long time that I haven't come to you to take the class. But today I decided to come back with a new syllabus because we are not having CPT batches right now. As you are aware that I am taking classes for the CPT students before for the law as well as IPCC students. But the pattern for chartered accountancy students had been changed tremendously. A new pattern had came into force. Now it is CA Inter and CA Foundation and CA Final, of course. Freshly with CA Foundation syllabus, very freshly, I'm going to teach you law as well as accounts. Previously, for the law of CPT, we are having 3 acts, namely Indian Contract Act is there, Sale of Goods Act is there, and Partnership Act is there. And now for the foundation also, the 3 acts are there to discuss. Again we are having LLP, Limited Liability Partnership, and there is a small introduction to the corporate law like the Companies Act 2013 also there. So for the time being, I am going to take the classes for the entire CPT, entire foundation classes. Then you may ask me a question, sir, with what act will you start? Will you get started? Good. I will feel some sort of some inconvenience with taking off with the Contract Act, because whenever I am taking off with the Contract Act, I am stuck in between without having any classes and without having any regularity. Because of that reason, what I'm going to start from tomorrow onwards or from the next video onwards is, I'm going to start with corporate law, that means Companies Act 2013 as an introductory class. But as of now and from today onwards, you may expect a regular uploads of law as well as accounts. Accounts purely based on those who are coming from the backgrounds of MPC and BIPC, who are not having any commerce orientation in their +2. For them also, for the sake of them also, from the foundation, that means from the scratch itself, I am going to teach you accounts also, from debit and credit and entries, starting from the entries, ending with all the syllabus of CA Foundation. So you may expect very soon law videos as well as accounting videos. Thank you.